Hello, students. To continue our topic, that is to reaching the age of adolescence, and we have completed, different, development stages in human being. Then we have discussed puberty. Then we have, discussed changes that takes place during the puberty. Now today we will discuss about the hormones. So what is a hormone? Hormone is a chemical, substance which is secreted by an endocrine gland. Okay. So what are the endocrine glands? Endocrine glands are those duct-like glands which don't have their, special channels, special paths by which they can, carry the secretion to the target site. Uh, these glands pour their secretions directly into the bloodstream. Then the blood carries this hormone to the body part where it is needed. That part is called the target site. So this is how endocrine glands works. Okay. So what is the hormone? Hormones are the chemical substances secreted by the endocrine glands. Okay. So what are the different endocrine glands in human body, and what kind of secretions they are producing? Okay, dear students, first we have the gland that is called the pituitary gland, and it is also called the master gland. This is the man gland, which controls the secretion of, all these, glands. Under the influence of this pituitary gland, these all, endocrine glands secrete the hormone. You know, we have, uh, you know, uh, uh, first we have this thyroid gland, which is, present in the neck. This gland produces a hormone that is called thyroxine. Thyroxine. You know, it plays a vital role in our to regulate our metabolism. Any deficiency, if this gland, secretes improper hormone, then we have a condition that is called goiter. Goiter is it's a swelling in that neck. Okay. Then we have other gland, sorry, that is pancreas. Pancreas, they secrete a gland that is insulin. The function of insulin is to maintain the blood sugar level in our blood. If there is, less secretion by these pancreas, then the blood sugar level, rises in our blood, and such condition is called diabetes. Then we have other gland, that is adrenal gland. That adrenal gland is, present at the top of the kidneys. They secrete a hormone that is called adrenal gland. This adrenal gland is also called as uh, mm, fight hormone. It's an emergency hormone. It maintains the salt balance in our body, blood. Then we have other gland that is present in males, that is testes. Testes, they secrete a hormone that is called testosterone. Okay. In females, the ovaries or other gland, these ovaries secrete a hormone that is called estrogen. These both hormones like estrogen and testosterone are called the sex hormone. So what is their function? The function of testosterone is, in males, uh, you know, it helps us, it activates this appearance of hair, facial hair, and hair in the pubic region, and deepness of voice in males. And so for this estrogen female sex hormone is concerned, you know it's responsible for the best development, and it's also responsible for the development of mammary glands inside the breasts in females. Oh, so these are the various types of endocrine glands, and the hormones secreted by these glands and their function. Okay, then we have other heading, that is reproductive phase in humans. You know, the reproductive phase starts from the onset of puberty. And in males, this reproductive phase remains for a longer period, but in females, this remains only up to a particular period. For example, in females, the reproductive phase starts right from the onset of puberty at the age of 12, and it lasts up to 45 to 50 years. That phase is called menopause. But in case of men, this phase starts from 12, and it has been observed that this phase lasts even after the age of 70. Okay, so these are the reproductive phases in humans.